Hey guys, welcome back. I have some happy mail to share with you for those of you who like to see a little happy mail. So I've got some product from Color Rush Studio. It's not what I'm designing with this month. It's just things that wanted to be in my stash, my collection, my crafty happy world. So I think I have the Good Times kit and the Bold kit. I don't have the acrylic kit, and I have a couple of extra papers to boot, but I thought I'd show you all of the deets. So let's just jump right in, and you can totally get the vibe of this. Oh, and I looked, they're on sale right now on the website, which is fabulous. Okay, let's start here. First thing. This is Simple Stories Summer Snapshots. Love the color story. I think it's gorgeous. It makes me want to do like the color matching thing on this. Don't even know what the plan is, but that would be so fun. And then the flip side, it's kind of a vanilla color with all of the colors in the collection in a nice Swiss dot. Okay, my next piece of paper, this is Simple Stories Fun Times. This is Fun and Games. Did I tell you that was easy breezy? I don't know. So this is Fun and Games. Love these circular bits. Let me see. I think they are, oh yeah, they are way smaller than 1 inch. I like to see these things. I'm like, how big is it? So all kinds of circles, cute little hearts and stars. Love this. So you can see all of these colors in this collection. Love this kind of orchidy pink. Great layering pieces though. Okay. So next, this one is from Fun Times. It's on a slight wonk, which is fun. You guys can fussy cut these out, cut them in strips. This has a lot of fun possibilities. Ooh, and then we've got a little 1960s decor kind of vibe here. Like the teal, like the aqua. Yeah, I like what I'm seeing there. That's super fun. Then, oh, but wait. We have this one called Admit One from Fun Times. Bright white background, lots of gorgeous colors of stars kind of being joyful, if that could be a real thing. And then the flip side, it is this fabulous monochromatic blue, teal, that's definitely not white, light blue kind of vibe. Oh, I like that. That's fun. Then what do we have? All right, this one's called Journal Elements. And I do love journal elements for all the tucking you can do. I mean, I'll totally fussy cut out a bunch of these things. Like the little ticket, the ampersand is gorgeous. And then the flip side, it's a really fun plaid. So that's a keeper. Then they're all a keeper. Then I have, ooh, like this. So this is the paper that is called 3x4 Elements. Same thing. I like the versatility and fun you can have with it. Look at this camera. Yes, please, and thank you. All of these things are so fun to fussy cut out to have kind of like the arrow vibe. Lots and lots of tickets and balloons. Just the goodness. And then this side has this really funky pattern, which I'm vibing. It's like I want to go through. This is like my MO. Want to go through. What am I going to fussy cut? Well, these guys get fussy cut. I'm going to have to take out that tab, this piece here, and ooh, maybe Oh Happy Day. And then the rest is this bad boy. Okay, so next I have this paper called 2x2 and 4x4 Elements. So same exact spiel, guys. There are things to cut out, things for fun, and you get to see all the colors all at once, which is great. Like if you guys like to build kits, which this is already a kit, but just chatting. If you like to build kits, you can grab this one paper and you can build all the way around it and have a ball. And then the flip side, it is a very dramatic white and red stripe. Kind of vibe circus for me. Then this is from Summer Snapshots. Easy breezy. Oh, it's the same one that we have right here. So I get 2 of those. Okay. So I don't have to choose and play favorites. I love that. Love that for me. Then Come papers. This one here, it's called This Way from Fun Times. Love all of these pieces. This is like a fussy cutter's delight. Love all of these pieces. Just on an aqua background. And then we've got a gorgeous kind of orange sherbet background with like a chunky Swiss dot. Although that's getting some serious play in my world. Maybe I'll half and half it. Then I've got this piece called Fun Times Admit One. Very big top with all of those colors. You guys, is it? Yeah, it's the same as this one right here. It's the same as this one. So I don't have to do picky choosy. Okay, love it. Love that. Now this is Fun Times Fun and Games. And we saw this one right here. So once again, I don't have to pick. Oh, you guys, I'm having a explosion. Hold on. We have a sequin catastrophe happening because, it's not from this kit, by the way, because stacking up sequins is never a good idea. Okay, so this one is What a Blast. And you guys, think of it going this way. It would be so fun to put a photo here and then like boom. So cute. And then the back side, it's citron with these little starbursts. And I love that. Now I also happen to have this hydrangea gingham, gorgeous favorite color. So that works for me. And a little bit more plain on this side, although it's variegated. And this side has a gingham. I love this. And then the last paper I have to play with. This is Simple Vintage Life in Bloom. Totally different vibe, I know. But it came in my Happy Mail. Love all of these bits and pieces. Love the typewriter. I think it would be so fun to just cut out strips or spell out a title with it. That's gorgeous. Okay, goodies I have to play with. Let's start with, this is amazing. A Simple Stories Foam Alpha in Vintage Black. If you look, oh, by the way, it's on white foam. It is printed like book text print on black. Yum. Love that. Love it. Our frazzles include a red and white stripe, very pronounced pom-poms, a Swiss dot, and a check. Nice. We have this, which is a hoot, a popcorn bag that is just plain fun. Then we've got these big old pom-poms with kind of like glittery bits. Not glittery, it's like metallic threads in them. We do also have these bits and pieces. Let's see what is hanging out. Come on. The adhesive is adhesiving. So lots of wood veneer pieces, which is, you guys, leave them plain, color them with your acrylic markers, with your inks. They are fun. Game night. I've got a big Ferris wheel. Think big. Ticket. That makes me think of like my son at work. Ticket. And then a couple of dice, you know. Then, you guys, bits and pieces, fun times. We have got die cut pieces. Oh, if you don't like to watch full die cut unboxing, there you go. Totally can get the vibe right there. But I do. Ooh, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get this much more subdued kind of aqua paper out so we can see the what's what. Let me go like that. Let's see what we have to play with, my friends. So we've got a couple little stars that decided they didn't want to come with me. The word times, prizes, here for the food. Yes, please. I have a picture of my son-in-law eating at a roadkill cafe, eating corn on a stick. Kind of reminds me of that. What a blast. Fun. Funnel cakes. Tickets. A nice ice cream cone. Spectacular. Ticket booth again. So much fun. These little round bits that we saw in that one paper. Welcome to the fair. Come one, come all. Games, rides, food. A nice little starburst. gorgeous little tickets again. I love tickets. Pretzels. These little swooshy things. Cotton candy. We've got a balloon. Good. I don't know, bullseye, lollipop, you do you. Starburst. A big top. The Midway, look at that. More circular bits. Fair treats. We've got a camera. Oh, balloon animals in pink and turquoise. Another star, more swirly bits. Another star, tickets, the best. Popcorn. Let's go. Cheesy fries. Step right up. Come on, come on. Balloons. And another one of those circular bits. You guys, this is such fun, Happy Mail. Let's go have some cotton candy. Photo booth. Yum. We have got a yellow ducky. I think there's those things that like you shoot the water at and they go boop and they go down. Bumper cars. Another balloon and a Ferris wheel. Super, super fun. So that is mostly bold kit. I'm sorry, mostly main kit. Mostly. I have to say mostly because there's a couple little extras. Okay. So, meaning extras in paper. I think that's the only thing I saw different. I think. And then, let me put this kind of right here. Then if you get the bold kit, where is my bold kit? You would receive this, I think. If I have it separated out correctly. So you get the main kit plus bold. So this paper is called Book Fair. Oh, you guys, you know what? I think this is kind of school-y because it's called Book Fair by Simple Stories. So I love it. We've got a little bit more of autumnal colors, which yum. And then the flip side, it is this kind of like dusty pumpkin orange, but it has paper airplanes. Then the next one, which is so cute, it is called School Rules. I have so many first day of school pics and stuff like that. That would be great. Oh, this is like a pea green with little plus signs. Love that. Then I have got 2x2 and 4x4 elements, which is great because I'll probably have stuff to fussy cut. Yes. So we have got a, you guys, what kind of notebook is this called again? You guys know, it's on the tip of my tongue. I know. My kids always had it in black and white. Oh, well, you guys know. Okay, look at this little owl with the books. And then this one has a big old pencil. So totally fussy cutting both of those. And then one with a book. That would be so cute on a page to have the three. We've got this cute little old school clock. Oh my gosh. Look at the cute little wormy. Cute. Scissors, glasses, all of the things. Love it. Then this piece right here, which is Exquise. Way to go. Love this super bold stripe. It's very dramatic. And then the back side, it is actually exquisite. And it is a diagonal red and white. Perfect. And then finally, I have got this piece right here. This is Simple Vintage Flower Shop Hydrangea Gingham. I have got aqua and aqua, which is perfection. Now, I do have some fab little frazzles in my goodies. I have got this dark yellow with stars, and I've got this vanilla with gray stars. And that is perfection to have some trim. Then in this cute little glassine envelope, and I like these little envelopes, we have got, ooh, they're cork. They're cork, you guys. Oh, it's on sticker paper. A paper airplane, a light bulb, Dream Big, and let's see, a backpack and a pencil. Oh, those are cool. They feel so soft. Ooh, very tactile. Okay, what's in here? What is in here? I don't know. There's treasures, and they're really sturdy, like so sturdy. You guys, like the sturdiest ever. Composition notebook, thank you. Okay, aqua book. Squares that are white with black little polka dots. Oh, a notebook paper. Another book in pink. An open book in aqua. Composition notebook, I know. And two big old journaling spots, great for like grounding your embellishment clusters. Love that. And then the last thing, which I think is so cool, is we have the Simple Stories, Simple Pages book fair. We have 19 pieces. And you guys, these do more than one layout, depending on how you craft, I should say. I've stretched these to more than one layout. I think they are such a great little value thing. This was like a pencil shaving or something. Let me see. So this little piece, it looks like a pencil shaving. Okay, so we've got school rules, fun, maybe a pencil shaving. I have got a banner. I have got a ruler that happens to be scalloped. Composition notebook cover piece. I have got a star. Oh, a number of stars. Great. Black and white little stars. Oh, another little shaving. A paper clip. A shaving. We have got a little mouse purse / binder clip. Pencil. Pencil sharpener. Eraser. We have got our cute little wormy coming out of an apple and some books. You guys, happy mail on fuego. So absolutely love these goodies. Now, they're both from like the same month, but to me, like, yum. I'm going to keep them as separate kits this time. I don't always do that, but I just love the idea that I have a school based kit that I can just grab and just go off for all kinds of first day of school layouts, like back to school. I have college school, just so much of that stuff. So guys, I love it. I think this was so fun. Thank you for looking at all of my goodies that I got. Thank you so much for my pal that sent me Happy Mail. I think you are the bee's knees, and you know that I love stuff from this company. So it's an absolute win. You guys, I will have an affiliate link down below where you guys can get your hands on these goodies, and it lets Color Rush Studio know that I sent you, a little channel support. If you do not like to do the affiliate link thing, I get it. Go to colorrushstudio.com. Get your hands on goodies while you can, because kits are limited edition. They don't just keep remaking them. So get what you need to get, because before long, I will be crafting with my new treasures. All right, guys, I will see you ever so soon with another video. Bye, friends.